Hi guys, a short video for something that was bugging me. I don't like to type, not that much, and one of the things, I'll just do it in here because I don't have anything anymore in VirtualBox. They're all out, cleaned, gone. What I've created is something that's interesting for the beta testers, for the core members, and certainly for guys who want to, well, help in development basically. And you know that we have the ArcoLinux sudo pacman -s command to install something, and we have our apps. We have the ArcoLinux tweak tool, we have the SophieRem tool, we have the ArcoLinux app-dev tool, and there's one more. I should make videos about that as well, and we're developing it, right? And it's the ArcoLinux kernel manager. So something to manage, a GUI to manage kernels, if you so desire to do it in a GUI. So we have created a meta package, and that's something that you might have looked up already, and if you didn't, go for it. ArcoLinux meta package or group package, that you understand what it is, what it means. And these two guys are new, the meta apps and the meta-apps-dev. So the apps that we get if we run this is basically telling you, let's install, in this case, remove, right? So let's take another example. Let's take the apps-dev. I don't think you're around, you won't see anything. So we need to go for the other one, which makes it complex, but it's super interesting. That's just pacman at work. Basically, the beta testers can now switch between the development versions, which we encode and try and build again and try again and build again, and then if the code is okay, it goes to your app, an end user's app, which has no dev or no nemesis in the name. Those are the users apps. So yes we say, 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 and yes we say. Let's have a look. So we're going to get rid of the development versions, yes, 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 and the glade dev, the kernel manager dev, logout dev, ArcoLinux tweak tool dev, everything is out, and SophieRem dev is out. So this is how easy it is for us now to switch from A to B basically, and back to the dev version. Just yes, 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 up, and we're back on dev, and we test it out. So that's what's changed. Super interesting for us, and maybe for you, to have maybe a look already at the new kid on the block, ArcoLinux kernel manager, but I'll make the next video about that. All right, cheers.